Hello everyone, in this video we're going to deploy a web application locally in a local registry. This is a K3D local registry, and then at least this web application is built in Angular and it's going to do a auth 0 authentication. Alright, so without further ado, let's make this very quick. Alright, so first we're going to create a registry. So this is going to be the registry, and then after that we are going to create the cluster, and our cluster will be using the registries.yaml here defined. So let's execute that, creating the cluster, and after that we are what's next? Deploy port forward. Okay, let's close this PowerShell tabs here. Okay, so we have created the cluster. We are now going to repos. Let's go to our web. Oops, not that. Mercado web. All right. So let's build our application. Um, we have, yeah, this one here. Right, this is our web application. um, we're going to, let's check first if we have an existing image. Docker images. We don't have existing images. We're going to build it now. Then after building it, I'm not sure if we're going to use the um, I think it's okay. Let's go back here. Right, so it now finished building. We're now going to tag it. Let's tag it, so it's now tagged. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to deploy that. Alright, it's now pushed to the local registry, and what we can do now is dashboard. I think this is fine. So it's now pushed. We are now going to deploy. So to deploy our application, we're going to go here, and then let's check the right. Let's check first the deployment.yaml. This is pointing to, supposed to be pointing to this one, and then let's deploy. Right, apply the deployment. So the deployment now has been applied. Right, so after applying the deployment, we can get the deployments and get the services. External IP is still pending. We can do this port forward. That, I'm not sure what that is doing. Maybe if I'm going to access 4200, it's going to point to port 80 inside the uh, Kubernetes cluster. Right, so let's check if we can launch our dashboard. Let's launch the dashboard. Launch the dashboard. Apply this. And then let's apply this. And then execute this, and then let's proxy to that, then get the token. After getting the token, we're going to launch the dashboard page. Let's do this again. Refresh. Uh, 503. It's not yet available, so it's now running. Let's find that token and then apply that here, the token. Right, and then let's find the service. Right, so this is pending. Let's see if we can have that application already. Alright, it launched. It goes to auth0 authentication. Just getting authenticated. Goes back to this one and then goes to dashboard. See the items, if it can get the items. No, because we haven't run our API yet. Let's run our API not inside the Kubernetes cluster. Let's just do this as a local container, docker run. Okay, so hope that this can communicate with each other. Um, the Angular application hosted inside a Kubernetes cluster, will it be able to call an API that is hosted in a local native Docker container, right? So let's see. Let's say kids. Let's check kids, right? So let's run that. Hopefully, oops, what happened there? Oh, it was able to get it. All right, so let's delete this. It was able to delete. Let's add. Oh, why is it not adding? Failed to fetch dynamically imported. Why? Why? There's an issue here. Failed to fetch dynamically imported. Let's control R. Let's control R that. And did my Kubernetes died? What happened? Hmm. Ah, why did it kill it? Seems like our script killed our entire application. Docker run. Ah, damn. Anyways, yeah, it's running. Let's do another video next time, and then let's push the API to the Kubernetes cluster also. Right, cool, thanks. Bye bye.